This is the macromolecule scramble activity. When you open up the document, you see this table here that's got all sorts of vocabulary terms like carbohydrates, like lipids, proteins. We have monomers listed like monosaccharides, fatty acids, amino acids. Where is it? There it is. We have pictures, we have functions, all mixed up in this chart. What you are going to do is unscramble this chart. You're going to copy and paste the words or the pictures in these boxes, and you're going to paste them into the correct spots in this chart in order to make a chart that lists the 3 organic molecules that you learned about in your notes, their jobs, their monomers, polymers, where you get them in your food, the elements that make them up, and pictures. So what you're going to do is copy and paste. What I suggest you do is start with carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins, because these are the major classes of organic molecules that we talked about. So what you're going to do is go to carbohydrates. You're going to copy by pressing Control C, or you can cut it out of there if you want it to go away, so you know you already did it by pressing Control X. And then you're going to paste it into these boxes by pressing Control V. There it is. And lipids, X. And Control V. And one more, proteins. So those are the 3 organic molecules that we talked about. So I suggest you should start there. Next, we have their function. So I know carbohydrates function for energy and also give structure to plants. So I'm going to find where that is in this chart. And here it is. And then X that out. And then paste that next to carbohydrates. So you're going to keep doing that until you fill out the chart that accurately shows the functions, the monomers, polymers, sources, elements, and photos of these 3 classes of organic molecules. If you have any questions on this assignment, please feel free to send me an email.